Presented by Dynatec, your trusted partner in industrial innovation. This is the Multiwasher, developed by Somengil, a revolutionary machine for washing and disinfecting in the food industry. There's no pre-washing, no manual scrubbing. Even burnt-on or dried residues are removed with ease thanks to its compact and ergonomic cabinet design. The Multiwasher saves space, improves workflow, and adapts seamlessly to your operation, whether you're working in food production, catering, retail, or logistics. It's not just a washer, it's a sustainable solution built for modern industry, delivering consistent, high-quality results. Dynatec is proud to provide this cutting-edge technology, helping businesses like yours wash smarter, faster, and more efficiently.